Welcome to DJM TV.
My people, we greet on our welcome now once again to DJM TV. My people, this update will carry coming now for Lagos State Governor. Wey they call Governor Babajide Sanwo. Boss, hello. They say the money will be say to run election case for courts, Lagos State Tribunal. Say na Lagos State Treasury money, as in taxpayer money. Now this man take run election case over 200 million. My people, this one e shock no be small. This man e get mad though. Lagos State na dey carry go tribunal be na governor. Normally the money wey suppose use say do the case no be Lagos State money, because no be Lagos State, no be Jendo and Bible carry go court. Na he wey be the governor na dey carry go court. Anyway, wey people go read una the report. More na listen.
The Lagos state government is presently receiving backlashes after it paid a total sum of 200 million to legal firm that represented and defended Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu at Governorship Election Petition Tribunal. According to a document published on the website of the Lagos State Public Procurement Agency tagged Letter of Award registered for January 2023, the sum of 50 million each was awarded to 4 law firms designated as contractors. They are Ahmed Raji and Co., Akinboro and Co., Babadunde Ogala and Co., and Mess Femi Okunu and Co. The award under the Lagos State Ministry of Justice was described as instruction to represent and defend Mr. Sanwo-Olu Babajide Olushola in suit number FHC CS 1979/2022 PDP versus INEC and 42 others. Reacting to the payment, a Lagos State-based constitutional lawyer, Festus Ogun, via his X platform, formerly Twitter, said such expenditure was totally unacceptable. He said Sanwo-Olu paid lawyers that defended him at the Election Petition Tribunal with taxpayers' money from the Treasury of Lagos State. All my life, I have never seen this kind of curious and mindless abuse. Totally unacceptable. Meanwhile, Sahara Reporters has also reported a document uploaded on X platform by the ADC Lagos State gubernatorial candidate Funsho Doherty, showing how the Lagos State via Ministry of Home Affairs awarded the contract for the renovation of the Church of Victor Nigeria Limited for the sum of this money big o 531 million.
My people, una don hear. Don't be small thing o. The dragging wey dey happen for Lagos State like this one, all these people they know what they do. This one na blood daylight robbery, as e no be say dem hide, dem dey do am openly. E dey open like this. They go dey do this thing, they rob the people openly in their faces, and which is wrong. Anyway, people, how una see this whole matter? How una reason now? Make una drop una comments and make una no forget to like and share. My people, see you all in our next video.
DJ TV.